Good day. I'm Chartered, your accounting tutor. In today's video, we are going to continue from a new topic, which is books of original entry. Books of original entry under Introduction to Accounting. And I want to know that I mentioned all the books of original entry. And number one was the cash book. Number one was the cash book. And cash book is one of the most important books used by businesses, individuals, organization, non-profit making, all form of businesses use cash book most. So now, let's look at the cash book. What is a cash book? I think I defined cash book in the previous video, that a cash book is a book of original entry as well as a ledger into which all cash transactions, check received and check paid are recorded in the cash book. All cash transactions, including check received and check payments, are recorded in the cash book, and also discount received and discount allowed in the case of a 3-column cash book. Let's look at the type of cash book we have. We have up to 5 different types of cash book. We have 1-column cash book or the single-column cash book. We have 2-column cash book, or you can call it the double-column cash book. We have the 3-column cash book, or you can call it the triple-column cash book. We have what is called the petty cash book, and also have what is called the analytical cash book. Today, I want to emphasize that we may be placing much attention in terms of the cash book. We'll be looking at the 3-column cash book, the petty cash book, analytical cash book. Because looking at 3-column cash book, we cover 1 column and 2 column, which is more easier. So my emphasis will be on treating the 3-column cash book. If you are able to appreciate and understand the 3-column cash book, you don't have any issue to do 1-column cash with just the cash, and you have no issue with treating the 2-column cash book to do with cash and bank. While 3-column cash book is able to cover all the elements, because having cash, having bank, as well as discount. So my emphasis will be on 3-column cash book, which is most challenging to learners because of the discount involved, and everything that is involved in the cash book are contained in the 3-column cash book. So emphasis will be on the 3-column cash book. So the 3-column cash, let's look at how the 3-column cash book is being drawn. This is how a 3-column cash book is drawn, whereby the name of the owner of the business will be placed on top. Like here, you can say this is Mr. Chartered Ventures. Write the name of the owner of the business on top and underline it neatly, like you can see. Now, you now make clear the heading of the cash book, which is the 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. Make sure that the heading is very clearly written. As you can see, each of the keywords should start with capital letter. You can see T, C, and B. They should be capital. Make sure you put this different, because it's a compound, a joint word. You must say 3-column cash book, and that is just it. Then the 3-column cash book have the debit side and credit, and that's why a cash book is a book of original entry as well as a ledger. As well as a ledger, you can see have the debit and credit side. That is why it is both book of original entry as well as a ledger. As you can see, as we go further, the other books of original entry like sales day book, purchase day book, return inward and outward doesn't have debit and credit. And that is why a cash book is called a book of original entry as well as a ledger, because it's serving the two. Although it is a book into which transactions are first recorded in terms of cash before transferring to a ledger. But it has the two features. Now, if you look at this heading, we have the dates, we have the particulars, which can also be called the detail. We have the folio, we have the discount allowed, we have cash and bank. Discount allowed is in the debit side because discount allowed is expenses. All expenses are debited. If you want to understand it that way, it's still right, because when I was treating principles of double, I told you that all expenses are debited. So if discount allowed is also found in the debit side, you can also prove that it is in the debit side because discount allowed is expenses and all expenses are debited. And I also want to tell you that discount allowed is the debit side because it goes with sales. Because when we start recording, sales will be found in the debit side of the cash, because in cash we give out sales to receive cash. So that is why sales we found in the debit side, and sales goes with discount allowed. Sales goes with discount allowed because it is when you make sales and you are receiving money from customers, then you can allow some money to them. You can allow some money to them as discount. And that is why as sales in the debit side, it means discount allowance will also go with sales, because it is when you make sales and you are receiving money from customers that you allow discount. And that's the second reason why discount allowed volume is found in the debit side. Now the next is we come to the credit side. Here too, we have the date, we have the particular, we have the folio, we have the discount receipt, we have cash and bank. Discount receipt, because most lenders ask why discount receipt is in the credit side. It's in the credit side because the principle of double entry says a discount receipt is an income and all income are credited. So if you want to take in that light too, it's clear that discount allowance supposed to be the credit side of the card book. But another reason is discount allowance is associated with purchases. That is, when the business purchases goods and they are to pay the goods, then the supplier can now give discount to the business, and that discount becomes discount receipt. The business is making payment, the supplier is allowing, but the business they are receiving. So discount receipt is associated with purchases, and that is why purchases is found in the credit side of the card book, because the business is paying money out to buy goods, which are the purchases. And that is why discount receipt is found in the credit side of the card book. All this will be handled in a very comprehensive question that will have every element that a card book should have, that student learners find it difficult to understand. And in the next video, I'm going to bring out very complex illustration that will carry everything that a card book, especially curriculum, that a student or learners find it difficult to record. We are going to start in the next video treating the transaction one after another as they will be recorded in the curriculum card book. Make sure you follow my video, like and comment, and if you have any question, you can come down and ask. I will come back to give full explanation to it as you follow me. Thank you all. I